Welcome to Melody Bar. If you're passionate about music, you've come to the right place. My name is Luke. I'm a musician and music teacher with over 20 years experience. I've played from Hard Rock Cafe all the way to Glastonbury Festival. I've taught hundreds of kids across multiple schools, sharing my love for music and helping the next generation find their sound. I've also had the privilege of running music projects all the way in Malawi, Africa, which just shows music can bring people together, no matter where you're from in the world. So, what can you expect from Melody Bar? This channel is all about exploring music together with tutorials, reviews, and personal insights. So here's what I've got planned. I'll be breaking down guitar chords, techniques, and tips to make learning easier. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve, there's something here for everyone. I'll be diving into classic records from my collection, sharing why they're special to me and why they're worth a listen. I'll explore the question, what is music? We'll dive into how music connects us, mirrors our emotions, and shapes the world around us. As a musician, gear is a big part of my journey, and I can't wait to share it with you. From showcasing my guitar collection to exploring the tools I use for recording and playing live, this series will dive into the stories and setups behind the instruments and equipment I love. For those interested in the creative process, I'll be doing live sessions where we can create and explore music together. At Melody Bar, I want to create a space for learning, exploring, and celebrating music. So if any of this sounds like your kind of vibe, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay updated. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and X for shorter form videos and updates. If there's something you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me at Melody Bar. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to make music with you. Melody Bar, music for everyone.